Morning, my name is James Banks. I'm with Southwestern HVAC Sales. I'm a manufacturer sales rep for Bosch, along with ICM Controls and a few other lines like Rector Seal and Uniwell that you may know. Today I was wanting to talk to you about our Bosch system, our 20 SEER. I'm going to flip this around so we can see. So this is our Bosch 20 SEER system. Right now it's just starting up, so it's showing the outdoor ambient, which is about 70 degrees. That click 0, that's when the compressor is about to start up. And here in a second you'll start seeing, it's hard to see, the numbers are fluctuating there, but 11, 12. So the compressor is just starting to ramp up. So our 20 SEER system is a true variable speed compressor. It can be used as either an AC or a heat pump, as I like to say, air conditioner with heat pump capability. It has a 94 speed compressor that can modulate between 36% of its capacity to 130% in 1% increments. It's kind of hard to hear how quiet it is. It's a little bit of road noise here, but this is one of the quietest units in the market, as low as 56 decibels. As you can see as well, it has a blue tint coil to it, and what that is, that's an antioxidant coating. So right now we are at about 32, 31 hertz, and 71 hertz is actually 100%. Now this system is very unique in that it can actually, it's a non-communicating system, which a lot of technicians like. It can be matched up with anybody's air handler, gas furnace, coil, as long as it has a TXV and a thermostat. I have the Honeywell Vision Pro 8000 on here to show that we can match this up with anybody's. I like this particular thermostat because you can set the cooling cycles per hour to 1. This offers a lot of diversibility, and it's very robust in how it's built and designed. Now how it works is, how the compressor knows how to modulate up and down is it matches the load of our indoor coil. So what it's shooting for is a 47 degree coil, but it can also float between 47 and 43 depending on the conditions. So it has a self-learning aspect of the outside unit on the board. We call it adaptive intelligence, where it adjusts to the conditions. The lower the outdoor ambient, the colder the coil will be for better humidity control, comfort, and efficiency. You can see this is our Bosch 20 SEER air handler. It has an all aluminum coil with a 2-speed blower motor, with a dehumidification wire option to it, a hideaway electronic board. And right inside here there's a wire that you see, it's right there, that attaches to the big copper line right inside here. And what that is, that's our anti-cold blow sensor. So in the heat mode, it won't bring the blower motor on until the coil gets 95 degrees. So that way you're not blowing cold air into a warm house before this coil heats up. Now this is a very user-friendly system, as where it's only 2 wires for AC, just like any other AC system out there, or 4 wires for a heat pump. It's also a self-diagnosing system. So if any one of these codes pop up right here, you can look into the installation manual, follow a flow chart, and it'll help you diagnose it. Now this button right here, this is our force mode. So on our unit here we have 3 buttons. This force button right here, you'll see a sideways T next to the numbers. Again, it's a little hard to see that. Well, what that will do is it will ramp it up to 100%. You let it run for 20 minutes like that, and then you can adjust the charge on it. Now, the next button next to it is the check button. So we can actually go to any button we want, any number. Number 9 is actually the low side pressure. So 145. Number 10 is our high side pressure, 261. Number 11 is our target evaporator coil temperature. Right now it's looking at 43 degrees. That's what the target is. Number 12 is what the actual temperature is, so it's 52. So the logic in the board knows if it's actually 52 degree coil temperature and is targeting 43, what it needs to do is ramp the compressor up to bring that 52 degrees down to the desired 43 degree coil temperature. Again, very robust, very unique and diverse system. This switch right here is our J2. That's our capacity switch. So this system is a 3-ton. If you flip it on, it's 3 tons. If you flip that off, it's a 2-ton system. We also have a 5-ton system that you can flip off and it'll be a 4-ton. And let's go back to here. And here are some of the parameters, 23 different points of check that we can check. We looked at 9, 10, 11, and 12, but there's actually quite a bit more. All right, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Bye.